Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Keap to Google Calendar for workflow-based reminders. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Keap login page. Enter your credentials and access your Keap account. Once logged in, locate the settings icon on the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, then select Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations section, look for Google Calendar and click on it. You will see an option to connect your Google account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google credentials and click Next. Allow Keap the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. After granting permissions, return to the Keap Integrations page. Your Google Calendar should now display as connected. To set up workflow-based reminders, navigate to the Workflows section in Keap. Create a new workflow or select an existing one to edit. In the Workflow editor, find the action where you want to add a reminder. Drag and drop the Create Calendar Event action into your workflow. Fill in the details for the calendar event, including title, date, time, and description. Be sure to configure reminders according to your preference. Once you have set the event details, click Save. Review and activate your workflow by clicking on the Activate button. Your Keap account is now connected to Google Calendar for reminders. Test the workflow to ensure everything functions as intended. You're now ready to receive seamless reminders through Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.